So, hey, look at this right here. The recent blizzard has left the city with a flurry of amazing outdoor art made with snow.
Dave Carlin shows us some of the snow sculptures sparking conversation and admiration across the city.
We're here to introduce my Punch the Monkey sculpture.
This frosty fine art is in Fort Greene Park, a tribute to the baby macaque who stole hearts worldwide for his attachment to his stuffed toy post-abandonment.
So we're gonna blush it up a little bit.
Professional artist Amaya Okamoto puts finishing touches on her snow sculpture that portrays a happy ending for the little guy.
I ended up building this monkey for 6 hours. Punch's story is personal to me. I grew up with a lot of feelings of loneliness and rejection and feeling like it took me a really long time to find myself and find community. And I love that other people are moved by my art all the time.
I've never seen something like that before.
Living among some of the most incredible artists in the world, it's incredible.
In the same park, Byron Guo of Clinton Hill is drawn to this one. Hello, Hello Kitty.
I think the bow is perfect. You can see the outlines of the kitty's shirt.
And over here is a familiar neighbor fashioned out of snow.
That's Totoro from the iconic Miyazaki movie.
Snow sculptures large and small, popping up all over city parks and sidewalks. So enjoy this art form while you can. It won't be long before we're doing sand sculptures on a beach.
Can't wait for summer. I want to join the Coney Island Sandcastle contest. It's really reminding you to be present and have fun in the moment.
It's just a really cool thing to just do something and then not know how long it's going to last.
They will melt away, but memories last. Dave Carlin, CBS News, New York.
My favorite are the little tiny snowmen that you can just see all over the Upper West Side.
Yeah.
They're tiny but perfect. Mm-hmm. It's fun to see that when you're walking around.
It'll be good, when these photos show up in our phones, as memories, and then we'll be like, oh yes, we might remember that blizzard.
We survived.